Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, still unable to get above the rotation zone on a closing basis. It spiked above it just here, but we've not been able to get a close, and this is why it moved sideways. Rotation zone came down. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and it pushed price lower. These levels are no longer valid to the upside. So if you do from the most recent swing to this low, that gave us the 71.56 level. That was 71.43 right here, now moving sideways. If we drop below that, now we have a cluster right around 7100. You see these two levels here. And then below that, next level is 69.18. So let's now check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, you see 8 coming down. Price just been able to get one green bar, now continue to get lower. A lot of weakness coming in. Unless there gets a high probability reversal pattern, just keep your hands off of it and just wait. You know, hopefully you've had your stops in place. Hopefully you've gotten out of a bunch of stuff and just wait for the lower prices until we get a high probability reversal pattern, because the thing just keeps drifting lower, and no good ideas come from just trying to pick the bottom without a reliable pattern, and we just haven't had one yet. And especially don't try to do it until we get at least the 4-hour rotation zone in our favor. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also unable to get above the 4-hour rotation zone, plunging down. This is sort of, these levels are no more right now. Plunging down. We had a level at 493. What was the low here? 492.91. And rallying back up. Let me switch to 1 hour real quick so we can see this. So you see plunging down, hitting that, rallying back up to the 1 hour rotation zone, moving back down. Looks like we might be getting a little support in there, at least on the 1 hour basis, but no buying pattern just yet. So that's why we're just staying clear of this for now. So what do we have? The next major level, we can do another swing down. So let's take the most recent. Let's take the most recent swing if it lets me. Where was that? That was this high to this low. And now we have a cluster at 478. You see this new level I came down with the old GAN level, 478. And now we essentially have another cluster, 462 to 464. So those are the next key levels we'll be watching on the 4-hour chart and the daily chart for. If we do rally, first now level of resistance is about 545. Next key level of resistance is coming in about 570. Again, just like in Bitcoin, we haven't been able to get a close above the rotation zone. So don't rush into anything. No high probability pattern. Right now it's holding about the 50% level of this tail, but there's nothing we're going to be touching for right now with all the weakness going on. Rather be late to the party and get the higher probability entry than trying to be early. So you have 8 coming down to push the price, and it doesn't even look like we're going to form a divergence down here, so hands off. If we do rally even stronger on the daily chart, 598 to 600 is very key daily resistance. Then we have major resistance right now coming in at 639 to 642. So again, our recommendation from Path Trading Partners is just be very patient until this weakness subsides and we get some high probability entries and the rotation zones back in our favor. That would be trading with the trend. Right now you're trying to pick a bottom, trading against the trend, which can just keep costing people money. And that's why we also get the resistance levels, because everybody who bought, like people who bought this back on the 24th, oh look, it's rallying back up. Now they're underwater. So if we can get back in this tail region, what do a lot of them want to do? Well, I just want to get out for break even. And that's what causes resistance. Now, until we form a series of higher highs and higher lows, this is just going to keep happening. So that's what we're doing. Just hands off and be very patient. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.